Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming which ports your PC and new monitor have, because the correct cable avoids delays. Once done, gather HDMI or display port cable and any adapter. Keep the power cord handy. Make sure the monitor is positioned where cables reach without strain, and then power off your PC or put it to sleep before connecting. You do this to protect the hardware and let the system detect the new display cleanly. This step saves time during software setup. You'll now connect the video cable to the GPU output and to the monitor, then plug in power and turn the monitor on. Boot the PC and open display settings. Windows or your OS should list both screens. If not, hit Detect. Choose Extend to increase workspace or Duplicate to mirror, and then set which screen is primary. Make sure to set the native resolution and appropriate refresh rate so text is sharp. Adjust scaling so icons and menus are readable without straining. Finish by adjusting monitor position, color profile, and on-screen settings so images look correct, because ergonomics and calibration matter. Once done, update GPU drivers and your operating system to fix driver-level quirks. This often resolves flicker or no signal issues. If problems persist, try a different cable or port and test the monitor on another computer. That isolates whether the fault is cable, monitor, or PC. If you still get no image, reboot into safe mode and reinstall the GPU driver to recover functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.